If you're dealing with a power button that is dysfunctional, in my case it stopped working due to water damage, this may help you turn your phone on. I was today it completely discharged, so I was not able to turn it on with the knock feature. So after powering it up, I got it up to 100%, and all that would display on the screen was the power gauge. The phone wouldn't turn on itself, so what I was able to do, what I finally figured out would work, is to plug in the power cord and then unplug it once the power gauge was on. And then I would plug in the headphone jack. Right now I have my phone working because I'm worried it won't somehow. It took some work, some effort to get the timing just right. But usually when you plug in your headphone jack, that little menu pops up at the bottom prompting you to open a program. I preset mine to open up a podcast app. But I would what finally worked is plugging in the power cord. Once the power gauge was on, I unplugged the power cord and then plugged in the headphone jack. It was tricky to get the timing right, but give it a few goes and it should work. Secondly, I took this into the Sprint store and asked for some help if they had any ideas on how to get around this, and they suggested using what you see right here, this little button. You can move it wherever you want on the screen. It looks like a man doing a jumping jack. And this functions like a power button. It gives you these options: power, home, sorry for the blurry screen, pinch, power up, power down, or sorry, volume up, volume down. And I access this through the menu and the accessibilities. Where was it? System settings. Scroll down to accessibility, and then I turned on the universal touch right here. So hopefully this helps any of you with the same problem I had, and thanks for watching.